Good morning children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing your revision well. You have completed 3 revisions and you have completed revision till which lesson in English? You have finished your lesson 5. Today we will start with the poem. We will do the revision. Revision 4 we will do. We will do the revision of lesson 6. What is lesson 6? It is the poem. Poem, I hope you all remember the shattered dreams. What is the meaning of shattered? Shattered means broken. Shattered means broken. In this poem you remember there's a boy named Sudarshan. He is dreaming. He is dreaming and in his dream he has won the Football World Cup. So let us revise. Let us give the full revision of this lesson. First of all, you have to learn the 8 lines of the poem. I hope many of you have learned for your recording. In your tools, you have to learn any one poem, 8 lines, record it and send it. That maybe many of you have learned. So, you have to learn the first 8 lines of the poem. Then next comes the match the following. All of you know in exam we are going to get MCQ type of questions. We will have one question with 4 answers. So you have to choose the correct answer and mark it. The first thing in this is match the following. They had won. What did match the following we are doing? The A1. What did they win? What did they win? Cricket, tennis, hockey or the World Cup? They have won the World Cup. They have won the World Cup. Next, Bhutia, the Indian captain, shouted. What did he shout? What did he shout? Captain shouted with excitement. What did he shout? Wow, wow, wow. He shouted, wow, wow, wow. 3 other things will come. You have to choose the correct thing and write the answer. Then the child woke up from the dream because, how did the child wake up? Mummy woke him up? No. Then what happened? How did he wake? He woke up with the sound of the dogs barking. His dog started barking. So he woke up from his sleep. He woke up from his sleep. Then the child couldn't believe. What he couldn't believe? What he couldn't believe? And he couldn't believe. So what did he do? He started rubbing. He dreamt, oh, they have won the World Cup. So he started rubbing his eyes. He started rubbing his eyes. Everyone clapped because they were happy. Because why did they clap? Because they were happy. They have won the World Cup. That is why everyone started clapping. Then winning the World Cup means, what means? It is the best team in the world. If you are winning the World Cup, it is the meaning that that team is the best team in the world. So you got this? Yes, all of you have got this. This is your match the following. But here you have all the 5 answers. In there you will have 4 answers. You have to choose the correct answer and do the revision. Then next is same way. This is the way you are going to get in your exam. Here you are given 3 options, but in MCQ you will get 4 options. B1 is take the correct answer. Take, write the correct answer. Second thing is take the correct answer. In your exam you will get choose the correct answer. You won't be able to take. So you will get it as choose the correct answer. They have done it. They means who are they over here? It is the child, the cricket team or the football team. Which team won the World Cup? Football team, not the cricket team. So the correct answer is football team. The correct answer is football team. So here they means football team. They means football team. They have got it. It means, what did they get? Money? No. World Cup or the team? They have got it. They have got the World Cup. They have got the World Cup. Here it means World Cup. It means World Cup. Yes. The team won the World Cup for football, hockey, cricket, tennis. Team won the World Cup for football. For football. Then next, the captain Bhutia shouted because he was sad, alone, happy, quiet. He shouted because he was happy. Wow, 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 he shouted because they won the football World Cup. They have won. That is why he was very happy. He was very happy. He shouted because he was very happy. Then everyone was clapping here. Everyone means all the people, his family or his friends. All the people. Everyone means all the people who were watching the football match. Who were watching the football match. When the child woke up, he found the Indian team had lost. He had been dreaming. The players had gone. When he woke up, he understood that he was dreaming. He was dreaming. वो सपना देख रहा था. So this over. The next is word fun. This we have done many times. This we have done many times. That is word fun. In this, first thing you are doing opposites. We have done it very well. Opposites. What are opposites? Ulte shab. The word what we are doing, we have to write the opposite word. First is standing, sitting. Standing, sitting. Narrow, wide. Narrow, wide. Silent, noisy. Silent, noisy. Silent, noisy. Slow, fast. Slow, fast. Slow, very slow. Fast, very fast. Okay. Then cool, thanda. Warm, garam. Cool, warm. Cool, warm. Dark, light. Dark, andhera. Light, ujala. Light, ujala. Opposite words. Before, after. What comes before? Pehle. What comes after? Baad mein. Then front, samne. Back, पीछे. Front is सामने, back is पीछे. Okay. So I hope opposites all of you know very well and you have understood it. Now next page it is given fill in the blanks with the opposite words. We have choose some opposite words. We have to fill in these blanks. It was a dash day. When they were playing, it was a warm day. It was a warm day. The people were dash and watching the match. How do the people watch the match? Sitting or standing? They are sitting and watching the match. They are sitting and watching the match. The bowler bowled a dash ball. Fast ball. Bowler bowled the fast ball. Then it went wide. In a game. Those who watch the match, they know that the wide word we use in the match. So it went wide because it was a fast ball. Then the batsman looked back. The batsman looked back because the ball is gone. Then he saw a man running after the ball. He saw a man running after the ball. In the field there are so many players. When the ball is going, what do they? They run after the ball and catch the ball. Yes. Then the crowd. Crowd is bead. Bead. Can the bead be silent? No. The crowd is noisy. The crowd is noisy, but they cheered the players. Then down here we have done the listening time. In the listening time, we have filled one word and made the word net, court, ground, wicket, players, gloves, runs and team. And the last part is the question and answers. Let's discuss this fast. The last part is question and answers. Let us discuss this also. Question and answers. With this we will finish the revision of the shattered dreams. The first question. What had the football team won? All of you know. What did the football team win? The football team had won the World Cup. The football team had won the World Cup. Okay. What did they win? The World Cup. Then next. What is the who is the captain of the football team? What is the name of the captain of the football team? You will get 4 options. So any 4 names you will get. You have to choose the correct name in your exam. So you should know the captain's name. It is Sudarshan? No. It is Rohan? No. It is Mayank? No. It is Bhutia? Yes. So you will choose the correct one. Who is the captain? Bhutia is the captain. Then what does the captain say? What does the captain say? Wow, wow, wow. The captain said, wow, wow, wow. What did he say? Wow, wow, wow. Yes. Then how did Sudarshan wake up? Just now we studied. How did he wake up? His mother woke him up, milkman came, or alarm rang, or the dog started barking. The correct answer is with the barking of the sound of the dogs barking. With the sound of the dogs barking. How did Sudarshan woke up? With the sound of the dogs barking. Yes. Then the last, when the child wakes up, what does he say to himself? He said to himself, oh Sudarshan, good morning. That means all that he was seeing was a dream. All that he was seeing was a dream. So children, this is the whole poem you have revised, and in the exam it is going to come. You first learn 8 lines of the poem. Go through everything in the poem very nicely. Even the meanings are there. Here new words are there. Those 3 words also you have to revise. It may come. First is shattered. What is the meaning of shattered? Shattered means broken. Shattered means broken. New word meanings also you may get 4 options and you have to choose the correct option. So shattered means broken. Shattered means broken. The next, what is startled? Startled means surprise. Surprise. Meaning of startled is surprise. Then next is believe. What is believe? Manjana. To accept. Believe means to accept. Manjana. Yes, it is correct. This is not wrong. So, again I am telling you, please read and see here who has written this poem. This may also come. Who has written? Sudarshan Gopal. Sudarshan. It may come. Who has written the poem The Shattered Dreams? You should, and 4 other names may come. You have to be clear that Sudarshan Gopal has written the poem Shattered Dreams. So go through each and everything clearly, nicely, revise everything and then know the answer. Start your revision children and do it very well. Okay? Understand, learn, read. And for everything, and in this MCQ type of exam, remember you should know reading. If you can read the question, then only you can answer. Otherwise, it is very difficult to answer. So, read it and then answer it. I hope you all have understood all the things in this poem. Go through each and everything, meanings, opposites, question answers, match the following and choose the correct answer. All the things you do. Okay, we'll continue with the next lesson in the next class. Till then, take care. Goodbye. All the best. Bye.